We're just working on getting our turbo set in the position we want it at the moment. But this is our massive HX55 turbo from FridayParts. New plan, as this is Holset's own flange, you can't buy a sort of off-the-shelf flange to go on here already cut. I could have one laser cut, like we had these laser cut, most flanges, but we need that flange to go on the end there, and we need it all to flow nicely in there. So you're going to cut the end off that. I'm going to make our adapter, and then panic averted. So I've got my mild steel flange all cut up. I'm actually going to try and weld it to the cast housing. Right, we're getting close. So I've got this all welded on now. It's not the prettiest, and I was worried the gasket wasn't going to seal properly, so I've built up with some weld. I'll flat it off on the belt sander once it's all cooled off. What I do need to do is clean everything up with a die grinder, help it flow a bit better. This edge through the middle here, so that is the first draft complete. What we have to do now is take it all off, take it apart, and start welding it together. So if I test fit this now, you can see that this pipe's moved slightly and shrunk. That's okay, because we can kind of move the collector around. What we want to do now is we want to bolt these flanges down to the cylinder head. The manifold is now tacked together and off the vehicle, as you can see. Ended up welding these bits of angle iron on the back to give it a bit of stiffness and stop it bending that way. Now let's get to welding it all up and getting in all those funny little cracks and positions which I'm just so fond of doing. So it's all finished welded now. I've cleaned up the inside a little bit, the die grinder, and welded the flange on. What I'm doing is just putting it back on, and not gonna lie, it's not 100% perfect. This is much easier than it looks. What do you think of that? That's one of the most ridiculous things I've ever seen in my life. This is the stage in the build where you go, oh, this is all fun. And then you actually see it and you go, this is such a stupid idea. I love this moment. This is my favourite moment. Wow. What a beauty. That's turned out okay. Now, that would be terrible.
FridayParts, fix it once, fix it right.